But I don't fresh now. Check me out. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for coming back. To my OGs, you guys are doing great. Subscribers, happy February. Alright, so yeah, in this video I'm going to be doing something really crazy, something that I've never even thought of. Like, just sat down like, oof, it's gonna be good. I'm sorry this is going to be a bit windy and breezy, but I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video. So I'm going to be shaving my head, shaving all this. It's not even that full safe. I'm going to be doing this for the first time. I've never actually done this before. I don't know how this is going to pan out, but I'm sure it's going to end up, good. If it doesn't, I'm going to go to the barber salon. But I'm sure it's going to end up very great. So please help me guys. Pray. Put me in your prayers, oh God. Please let me not mess this up. Alright, so without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, so I have my things here. I just got all these stuff. See, the clipper is not still in the carton safe. So this is the cover cloth, these pegs, this is tissue, this is my brush, and this is my comb. Yeah, and this is my clippers. Professional. I am a professional. Not yet, but then. So look at this. I'm going to be using all these things. This is me unboxing my clippers. This is the clipper oil. This is the step guard 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the taper. This is the charger. There's nothing inside here again. Okay, the manual. I don't know. Anytime we get things, we don't actually read what is inside. All these things are important too. See one in. We know one here. Anyways, nothing. If it's spoiled, go back that one. Alright, so let me just. This is my salon. This is my salon. See my stool. This is me, and oh my God, let me just set up. Okay, guys, just stay with me. We want to start. Please, stay with me. If I'm doing it right, correct me. I don't want shouts. I like correction in love. I don't even see the body. I don't even know if I should use these clothes. Because it's quite tight. See, this is my salon. I have to dress well. You go still walk my body. Okay, I just need to get up. I don't even know if I even need that tissue. I think you really need those things when you are striving for other people. Hey. Give yourself. This comb is not the. They come make a change. Alright, so it's a comb that I can use. And I think it depends on the length of the hair you get. So if your hair is over than mine, that's what you need. This one. talk saying that both people they get money. God, thank you. The future is bright. Help me, guys, what do you guys think about this idea? Like, am I doing it right? Please. I think I have the process. It's not so easy. This is really hard work. Like, you guys are actually clap for me. You guys. I'm taking. Who is this? This is not me again. Ah. I think the problem now is going to be how to level everything because I don't even have the back to do it. So I'm done with this. This is step one of 4 inch. So I think that I'm going to have to go like this way. No, and now it's actually windy. First one, it's I'm going to turn the lever like this way. I don't French now. Check me out. I actually just use step because I don't trust this. Like, not like I don't trust it, but like I don't want it to go very down. So you get these steps and ones that are just keeping the length like this. Vito, come on, check. Is this okay? Check the back. Is it level? Look at it. Is it level? Yes. I've been shaving this hair for like 20 minutes or 25 minutes. I mean, I don't like. I actually like to keep it like. Don't know, should I cut it? Should I cut it? Okay, so this is me now. It's a very good clean shape. I mean, to me personally, I would rate my hair. Let's just say professionally, I don't know, maybe like if it's since a low cut, it should be a 10 over 10. But come on, what do you guys think about this hair? Please let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this hair? Victor, what do you think about this hair? Does it make sense? But try this side. Did I run this side with this edge? Yes. Level, Abby? Yes, yes. Thanks, boss. So this is my elder brother. Right, so this is my face. I mean, this guy is handsome. I mean, no. He's handsome. Come on, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I brushed here. I should learn how to barb. Yourself, guys, learn how to cut your hair. Women, if you want to learn how to cut your hair, I have special class for you. No course. I'm not saying I'm not think about money now. No course. No course. Just come out. Just tap me up. I'm just kidding though, but it's good to learn how to do like simple things yourself, so I don't spend too much cash. When I go out tomorrow, neighbor will say, I'll cut your hair. I go say, hey, now I'm professional cutter. We can give you a number. They don't know see my number, they give the soft, man. My body describes me, I go bath. This work, I deserve akpu and egusi soup. Hot one. Alright guys, thank you so much. I mean, is all that I have for you today. So this mirror. Let me stand up. Make I stand up. Make I look myself well. Oh yo. It's in the handsomeness is in the gene. I don't like you guys will talk about this mustache or say why I don't leave this thing. Oh Benny, they scratch. If someone sleep now go do like this, after I go do like this. No, let me. So that when I'm bathing and I'm rubbing cream, I don't like shoo. You don't say my hand don't reach chin. Sharp. I don't want to be doing gallop. No. But thank you so much. Please like this video, share it, comment. You know, I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this beautiful hairstyle. Wait, now who go sweep this place?